My C4 Corvette could use some new LED headlights. I have the stock headlights in the vehicle currently, and it's time for an upgrade. So the headlights are in good condition. It's just that they're old, and I would like LEDs because they give a lot more light. And that's what this episode is going to be about, replacing my headlights and the procedure you have to do to accomplish that. Okay, let's open the hood and take a look. Let's see. Okay, so we have the headlight, we have a chrome bezel, we have the housing, and over here we have the adjuster. So turning this left or right will make this go up and down so you can get to the other screws. To take this off, we need to take off that screw, and then if you can see in there, there's a screw there, and there's a screw down there. That's why you have to turn this. LED lights that I got are black, so this chrome bezel will probably get painted. And it's basically the same on the other side. I have magnetic dishes, Phillips head screwdriver, magnet, scissors, electrical tape, gloves, 7mm socket and ratchet, some cloths to clean up, some alcohol for when I'm painting, WD-40. I don't know if I have to loosen anything or lubricate it. The stand is for my camera, and a towel to keep things from getting scratched if I drop them. And I'm going to put that right over there. Okay, both sides will be the same as far as what you do. So the first thing you want to do is you want to move this up by using this mechanical device so you can get to the Phillips head screw or whatever kind of screw you have on your year Corvette. This is a 1994 C4. Okay, so now I'll be able to get to that screw and that Phillips head screw. And then these 7mm screws. And then I'll be able to drop that, I believe. Okay, the towel's in place. It should be able to catch anything I drop. If not, I have a magnet. Something gets away somehow. So let's get started. I also put a rag down here in case this drops down. And that's the screw. Now for this side, yeah, it doesn't even, that looks stripped. If you can see it shiny where it's cross-threaded, it doesn't even look like the right screw. Well, maybe it is. It's definitely in bad shape. Okay. And yes, wow. You can see that is way longer than the other one. So I have my doubts it was the right one. Something must have happened when they changed the headlights last time. These headlights are plastic. Okay, 7mm. Loose. Loose. Okay. This end. Okay, now hold this. Should be able to slip it out as soon as I get this screw out. There it goes. It is a little dirty, so I'll clean that up later. And let's get this back up. Turning it clockwise to move it back up. And then once again, need a Phillips. So 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. And you can see this is actually the top when it goes out. So the new headlight will go in with the top this way, on this side, in that direction. So let's get this bezel off. Let's loosen them off first. Okay. Tip of the screwdriver is slightly magnetic, so that helps. I had it on the magnet tray earlier. Give it a little magnetism. And let's see. There's the bezel. I'm not sure if this is chrome or stainless steel. Let's check it out. Is it chrome or is it stainless steel? It's chrome. It's magnetic. Okay. I think then I'm just going to leave it chrome. Let's take this out. You can see the plug there. If there aren't any clips or anything, you just pull it out. I did bring a plastic trim tool with me. Let's see if it just comes right out. And there it is. Came right out by hand. I didn't have to use any tools. Okay, so I should just have to plug the other one in after I clean things up. Okay, I have the headlight, taking off the plastic so the bezel will fit on there properly. And I have the dot SAE at the bottom, which flips up to become the top. And then see the seam here. I'm putting that on what, when it flips up it will be the bottom, but it's going to look like the top right now. And I put a couple of pieces of tape on this extra stuff for the running lights, which we don't use on a C4, so nothing shorts out. I'll just plug this in. It only goes in one way. That's it. It's together. Let's get that in there. Okay, it's holding it in. There's 4 Phillips head screws. And I believe these headlights cost me around $50, maybe plus tax, and on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the notes below. I am an Amazon affiliate, but I need somebody to make an order so I can maybe make a few dollars. Would be nice. Anyway, I really appreciate everybody watching this, and I like helping out because I know I watch videos of other Corvette owners and it helps me. Okay, I'm going to put this headlight cover on now. You can see where the screws go, right over here and over here. There's 7mm. And I think I can hand start it. That's one. Two. Let's get these tightened. I'll leave them just a little loose so I can adjust the other ones. And I have to turn this counterclockwise again so I can get those other screws in. I don't think you need to see me do that. Okay. And I guess that's it. So just have to turn it clockwise. Put it back to where it was. And there's a stop up here, so I'm not going to go past anything. So it looks good. Somehow I didn't drop anything. But I'm going to still do this on the other side. There. Okay, next. Oh yeah. Yes, that gives it a much better appearance. Definitely brighter. Okay, better shut these lights off because the engine's not running. Okay, so this is the view from inside the vehicle from the same position, and that's my headlights on low, and that's my headlights on bright. That should give you a pretty good idea when we go to see how it looks after we install the LED lights. Low beam, and that's high beam. You can see how much it's just way brighter than the halogens. One thing I see that I don't know if I had this before or not, because I usually don't drive at night, is my looks like the bright indicator is on. even when it's on low beam. So I'll have to read up and see if I made some kind of mistake or this is just the way it is, because I don't recall.